Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add pictures to your Frameo digital frame in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your Frameo application on your phone. Afterwards, when you are inside, you just have to choose the photo that you want to send. So after selecting the photo, you are going to see this arrow button in the bottom. When you tap on it, you just have to basically allow the permissions for the photo to access in your phone's settings. Afterwards, you need to select the frame or the person that you want to send the photos to. You can choose one or multiple recipients. Then simply press next in the bottom. After that, you can write the caption for your photo or you can leave it empty. If you are sending multiple photos, you can add different captions for each, or you can also use one caption for all. Then again, press next or this arrow icon right next to it. Now you can also choose how the photo is going to be basically displayed. So here you will see the fill and the fit option. So fill frame option is going to basically zoom in to fill the screen, and the fit frame is going to show full image with the borders. You can then adjust the position by sliding the photo. So when you are done, simply tap on the option of send photo here in the bottom. Then your photo is going to be appeared on your frame within just a few seconds. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.